Hello everybody and welcome to this channel, Milestone Study. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that I know that I'm doing a great job. Comment anything below and we'll reply to your queries and your concerns. Also remember that you can use our website milestonestudy.com.au to practice all the necessary practice questions and take a mock test as well. For a free trial, please refer to the video that is linked below in the description. For all other class queries as well, you have our number in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Milestone Study. My name is Anjita. I'm one of the PTE tutors at Milestone Study. In this video, we're going to talk about some food related idioms which can help you enhance your speaking skills. So let's get started. The first idiom for today is a piece of cake. A piece of cake, which means easy task or something is very easy for you. Let's take a look at an example sentence here. The exam was a piece of cake. The exam was a piece of cake, which means the exam was very easy. Moving on, we have spill the beans. Spill the beans means to disclose secrets, to tell somebody secrets. I asked him not to spill the beans about me coming late to work, which means they want to keep it a secret. So spill the beans. The third one says bread and butter. Bread and butter, which means the activity or work that provides the main part of somebody's income. Let's take a look at this sample sentence. Teaching is my bread and butter right now. Teaching is my bread and butter right now. Cool as cucumber. Cool as cucumber. To be calm with no worries. To be very calm, no worry, nothing like that. Despite the mishap, my husband was cool as a cucumber, which means he was very calm and cool. Number 5, sour grapes. Sour grapes, which means something is worthless or undesirable because they want it themselves but cannot have it, which means they want to get something but somehow they didn't get it. So now they're telling that it was not worth it. I don't think it's a great job, and it's not just sour grapes because I did not get it. The 6th says salt of the earth. Salt of the earth, which means very good, honest people, not thinking you are very special in any way, means very down to earth and humble. They were such a lovely couple. They really were the salt of the earth, which means the couple was really, they were really humble. The 7th one says chew the fat. Chew the fat, which means to chat in a very friendly and leisurely way. Let's get together for a coffee and chew the fat. Means to just have a chit chat. Moving on, we have full of beans. Full of beans, which means to have a lot of energy and enthusiasm. I've never known anyone be so full of beans before breakfast. Means they didn't have anything, but they were so active, they were so enthusiastic. Number 9 says gravy train. Gravy train, a situation in which someone can make a lot of money or get advantage with little or no effort. Means they didn't do anything, but they got something in return without doing anything. The top executives were on the gravy train with their huge bonuses. Means they got huge bonus, but they didn't do anything for it. Next is in a nutshell. In a nutshell means to summarize everything in as few words as possible. In a nutshell, it was a romantic movie. So in a nutshell means in a whole or in a summary. Number 11, the last one for today, says meat and potatoes. Meat and potatoes, which means the most basic and simple essential parts. What they want is the meat and potatoes of how we're going to improve the country. So they're asking us basic things that we can do to improve the country. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you learned something from today's video. You can use these idioms to enhance your speaking skills. Don't forget to like this video, and also please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos and put anything in the comment down below. We'll make more videos in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.